Hi, I'm Todd Brandon.
And I'm Callum Ryan.
We're from the agency, and this property sits on the corner of Agnes Street and North Street on the Range, a short walking distance to both the Rockhampton Base Hospital and the Rockhampton Grammar School. Let's take a quick look.
There's a bathroom here.
And there's also a bathroom here.
And there's a kitchen here.
And there's a kitchen here.
And a mango tree.
And there's also a mango tree here.
There's 1 and 2 bedrooms, as well as a front door.
Currently we have 1 bedroom here, but maybe room for another.
Well, it's definitely no secret that this property needs a lot of TLC. Previously being a duplex and now recently being a home, this property lends itself to someone who wants to make it their own.
In a wonderful location, this block of land has high value. If our team can help you own this property, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.